Hello my dear friends, welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we will talk about class 10th exercise 4.1 problem 2. So here our question is represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equations. So given the statement, we have to write that statement in the form of quadratic equation. So our first statement is the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So we can assume that the breadth of the plot is x. So according to the statement, the length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. So length will be 2 times of breadth, that is twice its breadth and 1 more. So it will be 2x plus 1. Now we know the area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. So what we can do, we know that the area is length into breadth. So this is 528 meter square. So we write 528. So now we multiply length by breadth. So length is 2x plus 1 and breadth is x. So this will be equals to 528. So it is 2x square plus x. This 528 can come on the left side. So minus 528 equals to 0. So this is the form of quadratic equation where x is the breadth. So if you solve this, you will get the value of x, that is the breadth. Then you can get length by this formula. Now by the time you can attempt for the second question, then we will solve the second question. So our second question is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. So consecutive integers means the number that comes just after the previous number, like 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3. So these are the consecutive positive integers. So here we can assume that our smaller number is x. So the bigger number will be x plus 1. So smaller number is x. So larger number will be x plus 1. The product of these two numbers is 306. So what we can do, x times x plus 1, this will be equals to 306. Now we can solve this, we can write it as x square plus x minus 306 equals to 0. So this will be our form of quadratic equation. Now you can solve this and get the value of x, that will be the smaller number, and then afterwards if you do plus 1, it will be the larger number. Now let us move on to our third question. Our third question is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So two statements are here. First is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So let Rohan's age equals to x. So Rohan's mother's age this will be nothing but x plus 26. So this we get from first statement. The second is the product of their ages in 3 years from now. So after 3 years, Rohan's age, this will be x plus 3, and Rohan's mother age, this will be x plus 26 plus 3. So this is x plus 29. Now the product of these two, x plus 3 and x plus 29, this will be 360. So we can write it as x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 29, this will be 360. So now we can solve this equation and get our required answer. So that is x plus 3 times x plus 29, this is 360. So we solve it, this is x square, x times x plus 29x, x times 29 plus 3x plus 29 times 3. So this is 87. This is equals to 360. So our answer for this will be x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360. This is equals to 0. So it is x square plus 32x minus 273 equals to 0. So this will be the quadratic equation. So x will be the Rohan's present age. You should see what it is asked here. Yes, we were asked Rohan's present age, so we express the quadratic equation in the Rohan's present age. Now before I solve the last question, you can attempt the last question. So our last question is, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Now we should know the formula for speed. This is speed equals to distance upon time. So a train is traveling a distance of 480 km. So let the speed be u. Now we are given that if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, that is the speed would have been u minus 8, then it would have taken 3 hours more. So first we will take this portion. So we are given that train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So u will be equals to 480 by time. So the time it takes is 480 by u. Now if the speed had been 8 km less, that is u minus 8. So this would have been taken 3 hours more. So it would have been 480 by t plus 3. So we know the value of t, that is 480 by u. So we can substitute t here. That is u minus 8 equals to 480 upon t is 480 by u plus 3. So u minus 8, this will be equals to 480 u divided by 480 plus 3 times u. So this will be u minus 8 times 480 plus 3u equals to 480 u. What we did here is that we multiplied this u with 3 and then this u will go upside. So it will be 480 u divided by 480 plus 3 times u. Now we solve this. It will be 480 u plus 3u square minus 8 times 3 minus 480 times 8 minus 24u. This will be equals to 480u. So this 480u and 480u will get cancelled. So it is 3u square minus 3840 minus 24u equals to 0. So our answer is 3u square minus 24u minus 3840 equals to 0. Now we can take 3 common from this. So we will be left with u square minus 8u minus 1280 equals to 0. So this will be the final answer. So the speed of the train is u. After solving this, you can get the speed of the train. So that is all in this lecture. Thank you for watching.